Welcome. This is a moment of piano, a time to relax and play. This song is Still Skies, level Chill 3. If you'd like to start from level 1, please head to the link above and we'll see you back here soon. Let's start by listening to the song. Before we learn this level, let's have a quick look through the music together and see what we notice. We have an extra line of notes with their own clef, the bass clef. We'll be playing these lower notes with the left hand. The left hand also has a lot of ties. The right hand notes in the treble clef look pretty similar to level Chill 2, so we'll just need to be aware of where the differences are. And we have a number 1 bracket here with some dots at the end. These indicate a repeat. The second time through the music, we'll head to the number 2 bracket there. Okay, let's start by learning the left hand. The most important thing to remember is that we read the notes differently in this clef compared to the treble clef. In our intro video, we mentioned that the treble clef is also called the G clef, with the G above middle C sitting on this line. The bass clef is also called the F clef, and the F below middle C sits on this line. Let's place our third finger on F and focus on the 5 notes that sit around it. Moving from line to space and so on, we have D, E, F, G, and yes, A. Let's try playing the first 2 lines of the left hand. We have F, then step down to E in the space, then jump back up to A on the line. As for the counts, we have 3, 6, 9, 12 on F, quite long there, and our familiar 6 counts on E and A. We'll then go on to play this pattern again and again until we get to what we call our first time bar on page 2. We play this first section up to the dots the first time through the music. D, then back up to G. 9 counts on D, then our 3 counts, then 9 counts on G. We haven't talked about this last bar in levels 1 and 2, but this is called a whole bar rest, and so all we need to know here is that we aren't playing for 3 counts. Then the dots tell us to bounce back and repeat the music from the very beginning. The second time we'll head to, you guessed it, what's called the second time bar. We'll play D and G again, but now for 6 counts each. Just one little fingering shift. Let's change to our thumb on the G this time to help with our final chord. We'll skip down from the G space to E space to C space. So we have one new note, the C below middle C, together with E there. Our ties here last for 9 counts. And that's all the notes. Let's play the left hand at a slightly slower speed. Okay, right hand. As we've said, the notes here are very similar to level chill 2. In line 1 here, we'll add another A under D, using the thumb as usual. In line 2, we won't play the A here because the left-hand thumb is playing it now. Line 3 is the same as line 1. And in line 6, we'll again leave out the A in the right hand as the left hand is playing it. And that's all the notes. Just notice the final C here. Our ties add up to 9 counts. Let's play the right hand. As we mostly know this, let's take it at our faster speed. It's time to put it all together. Let's have a look and see when the hands play at the same time and when they play at different times. So we have As you start to play with hands together, keep noticing these movements in the music. Amazing! Let's put it all together. A little slower at first. Take your time and feel free to just try a few lines for a start. And here's our final playthrough at the faster speed. Again, there's no hurry to play it all with both hands. Take your time. that was Still Skies level Chill 3. Join me next week for level Chill 4. I'm so glad we could share this calm moment at the piano. If you'd like your own copy of the sheet music, you can download it at the link below. To hear about new videos, please feel free to subscribe below. Have a lovely day.